Hey guys, today I'm going to make an aircraft carrier catch, as I do in real aircraft carriers. And by real aircraft carriers, I mean American, not other aircraft carriers. Well, what am I waiting for? Let's get started. You see right here, this is a catch I made for my F-14. Should be right here. Yep. Do you see this right here? This should allow my F-14 to catch on the cable and stop before it flies off, because this F-14 is a problem. It tends to fly off the carrier when landing. So, let's fix that. Alright, so if if you press X, you can see the pulls, pushes out, and they're... Alright. Let's do a quick turn. Can't believe that these have, like, this thing has almost no has gyro assist, but it doesn't use gyros for its main steering. Because it looks so much like gyros. Oh, I'm getting off topic. Alright, it's coming for landing. It's coming for landing. Landing gear out. X. Shoot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's put the cable a little farther in, because this doesn't exactly seem like a good place to put it. Okay, I think right here should be good. Alright, now let's pull on the cable right here. And let's get back in the F-14. I would try with my F-18, but I forgot to put on landing gear on that one, and I really don't want to put it on. Alright, let's get to work. See, should be a good view. Alright, G, now X. Okay, come on, come on. Alright, let's come in for a second pass. I need to make sure I touch the deck, but it's really difficult. You know how difficult it is to hover above, just hover just so like the wheels aren't touching the ground, but just barely. Coming in for landing. Oh, this looks like a good approach. Oh no! Huh? I'm sorry, what? Huh. This is odd. Okay. Let's fix this. Let's get our 14 back. 14. We got it. Oh, this thing hurts my nose. I'll wear a mask next time. A better mask. Alright, get hook up. Coming in for land. Oh no. Oh, bad run. Let's actually try it without landing gear to make it easier. Like in the Top Gun Maverick movie. Little did I know, this is only the beginning of my pain. Yeah, it's 180. Yeah. And I missed it. We're landing. I missed it. No. Oh, that's close enough. I think. Well, it's hot. Oh no. Oh no! That's very option. No, I went too low and I had to pull up. Either it's impossible or just really difficult. I should not sign up to be a Navy pilot because, frankly, I wouldn't survive the first day. Ah, stinks. Let's try the previous version. Let's see if I can land the aircraft carrier without the catch. See, this still has a catch, but it has friction pads, so it doesn't catch on anything. It just slows itself down. Because this thing has a tendency to fly off. Okay, I'm gonna try and land with. Okay, I'm gonna try and land with the regular catch because you can clearly, if you can see, I'm gonna try and land without the catch and then land with the catch because without it kind of gets a little rough. Watch. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Yep. It starts flying off. But if if I land with the catch on, so I'm gonna do it with the swift wing motion because it makes it easier to for precise landing. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Come on. Oh, come on. I hate this big gaping hole in the aircraft carrier. Because you have a perfectly good landing and then you just catch on something near the edge and it just ruins the entire landing. Spoiler alert, it did not work. Alright, X and first round. Okay. Maybe it doesn't work as good as I thought it would be. As good as I thought. I keep forgetting the button is shift, not space. Just to be clear, I have not posted this on the workshop yet. So if you want to look for it, I'll probably post it later, but not really soon. Okay, let's come for landing here. Let's get the catch ready. Oh, shoot. Good. Landing place. And X. Come on. Touch. Yep. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah! It works. Well, I guess it's kind of difficult to make a catch, and I probably should have used a better method, but this is basically all I could do. Well, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. So, I guess I couldn't land the aircraft carrier. So maybe the title was a little deceitful. But at least Actually, there's no proof of concept. I didn't even make it. Well, see you guys in the next one. Bye.